are we doing in the car?
Well, going to get your quarterly blood work, which is already, what, a month late at least?
This is Jill for today.
This is CarTalk.
And this is CarTalk. It has been a long time since we've done a CarTalk. There's the director.
Who's stressed.
Oh, we're just like a couple of maniacs this morning. I don't know. And anyway, we're out here. It's about commute. Well, it's not commute time. It's 9:15. And quite honestly, we're pretty surprised at how many cars are out here. What, honey?
And we've got our masks.
Got our masks.
Who's the nice lady who sent us these masks? Robin, thank you very much.
And we just thought we would check in and see, tell you we're doing all right. Well, we're both extremely stressed out. Are you stressed? Oh, man.
Outwardly, I don't really feel it, but then I say, gee, I can't breathe. What's that all about?
Yeah, and that's kind of how I'm going through this right now. I'm feeling very stressed. One of the things, and we had to drop off, we had something we needed to drop off at a friend's house. And of course, we did extremely long social distancing. I mean, we rang the bell and got in our car and did one of these things to them. And I told the director that I almost don't like going out because I find it very sad and I find it very depressing. And I know I don't mean to be a down Debbie. What do they call that?
Debbie Downer.
Debbie the Downer. I don't mean to. And a lot of people say, oh my God, I can't wait to get out. I can't wait to get out. And I get out and I say, oh, I think I might like it better at home because it's just not the same. And it's very sad. What I'm going through right now is kind of a sadness place. I go these ups and downs.
You're grieving for the way it used to be.
I am grieving for it. I'm going through a lot of, we both are, going through a lot of emotions. And I think probably a lot of us are doing that, going through an incredible amount of emotions. You go through some highs, then you go through lows, and then you go through anger. And in fact, I addressed this in one of my videos recently, and I'll post that up there, where I talked about, the different emotions that I know I'm going through, and I suspect there's a great many people who are going through the same. Anyway.
And of course, we have one major challenge that a lot of states don't have.
What's that?
Here in Oregon, Costco will only deliver one bottle of wine per order. So.
Can you imagine that? One bottle of wine? But I did read an interesting article yesterday that we have a lot of microbreweries here. It's a lot of wineries, but we also have distilleries, and they do bourbons and vodkas and that gin, that sort of thing. Well, they've been suffering so bad at the liquor store, and that's the only way you can buy hard alcohol.
State liquor store.
State liquor store. And they have been suffering so badly, and they started curbside, where you could go to the distillery and they'd bring it out to the curb. Well, that wasn't working either. So the state has now opened up the ability for these distilleries to deliver to your home. Now, I don't know.
At last. State government working at its finest.
You're on the freeway. Quit looking at this camera. What do you think you are? Mario Andretti?
1975. That's the last time I did anything
I'll put
right.
the camera on you, but don't you look over there.
1975 is the last time I did anything right.
What year did we meet?
75.
Oh, God. Anyway, see, we're happy now. So up and down, up and down, up and down, like a pogo stick. I have a niece who I love. How I feel about Lee. She's just the greatest. And I was telling her about how I feel sometimes. There was a public beach at the coast called, I can't even remember what the name of it is, but you had to walk up this big sand dune. It was huge. I'm talking big sand dune. And once you crested that sand dune, you saw the ocean. And this is what I feel like right now. I am trudging up that sand hill to get to the other, at least to the top, so I can see the ocean. Because that's my happy place. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trudging through sand, people. Trudging through sand.
Well, as soon as they loosen up the restrictions here, we can trudge up that sand dune for real.
I'm not trudging up any sand dune. I'm going to walk over there and say, okay, bring the ocean. All right. Well, God, where are all you people
I don't know.
going?
Why are people driving like this? Are they trying to kill themselves so they don't have to face coronavirus.
60 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour.
We're
Emotions.
blessed.
God, I'm
We
glad I'm
are
not going
really
through
blessed.
menopause. That would just be that would be it. Huh? Would you like me going through menopause and going through these feelings?
Sweetie, you've been going through menopause for 45 years.
Oh my gosh. All right, I will leave you all on that little visual thing. We love you guys, and we hope you're doing well. My gosh, we hope you're doing well.
We hope you're safe.
Yes.
and
Stay
healthy.
hydrated.
Yeah, and stay, use your head, follow the facts, follow the experts. And by experts, I mean medical people.
You know what I think we should all think about, and this word just came to me, and I will leave this with you. Motivated.
Oh, by the way,
Okay.
by medical people, I don't mean Dr. Oz or Dr. Phil.
We need to stay motivated. I think that's a perfect word right now. We need to stay motivated. Whatever rings our bell, stay motivated. And we will get through this.
Jill
We will.
Ferday actually did some artwork last night in the middle of the night.
I did. In the middle of the night. Anyway, we love you guys. Stay motivated. Stay well. And we're going to get through this. Damn it all anyway. We are going to get through this.